In this video, we are going to talk about the closeout functionality under job. Let's start by understanding what closeout means and how to use it. There are two reasons why closeout may be needed. Tracking the quantity of materials to be purchased, released, or used. Invoicing customers using the WIP method for percentage complete. Let's first start with tracking the quantity. When you create your estimate, you can specify the quantity of materials or use an allowance if the quantity is not known. There's also a flexible quantity feature. These estimating tools are designed to help you track what needs to be purchased, what has been delivered to the job site, and even if materials are used or need to be returned to the warehouse. Next, let's look at invoicing. If you use WIP, this means you're tracking the percentage complete on a job. This can be used to calculate progress payments and also update your accounting system, creating journals to allocate income to your balance sheet versus profit and loss accounts. Both tracking the quantity and tracking the percentage complete requires builder's excellence to understand your estimated against actual values. But what happens if you don't need to purchase any more materials? You have everything you need, or the materials you have purchased are not required. These excess materials can be returned to your warehouse or storeroom and is to be used on another job. You have two options. 1. Do not charge the client for materials not used. 2. Close out these quantities to mark the item as 100% complete. The first option may be used in due and charge scenarios, but the second option may be used in fixed price projects. Closing out the quantities means you can invoice what you estimated without purchasing the exact quantity or using the materials estimated. Let's look at how to close the quantity. Under the Contract tab, click on Close Out Items. You can review the contract summary at the top, along with any invoiced and outstanding amounts. Below, under the Material tab, you'll see a detailed list of all products linked to the job, including their quantities, billable values, and balances still open. Alongside materials, you can also review other cost areas through the tabs across the top. Expenses, labor, hire, subcontractor, and summary tabs give you the same breakdown style, making it easy to check what's been billed and what's still open. To begin the process of closing out materials that were not used, look at the quantity sold against the quantity allocated. In this example, we are going to close out the tiles, since the project only required a part of the original estimated quantity. These remaining 10 are no longer needed, leaving us with excess stock on demand. Tick on this box and click on Close Out. Here we have a pending quantity of 10. Enter the closeout quantity and click Confirm. Once the quantities are successfully closed out, the item's pending quantity will update, and any stock on demand for that item will be cleared. Each sales item has the following calculations. Quantity sold reflects the total purchase for the job, and any excess can be returned to your warehouse or stockroom. If you invoice using a calculated WIP, the closeout function is an essential tool to ensure you are paid correctly. WIP, or Work in Progress, calculates the percentage of the project completed, and you can also manually adjust this if needed. By using closeout together with WIP, you keep your invoicing accurate, account for unused materials, and maintain full control over project costs.